In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create video from reference image on Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single picture into a moving clip using the built-in tools, and you'll have a few practical tips to get results you're happy with. Start by opening your browser and going to the Higgsfield AI homepage. Once the site loads, move your cursor to the top navigation and hover over the video option. Hovering is important because it reveals the creation choices tucked under that menu. From there, click Create Video to open the workspace where everything happens. Inside the video workspace, look for the option to upload your reference. Click Upload Image, choose the picture you want to animate, and then click Upload to confirm. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit image with the subject centered and not cropped too tightly. High-resolution files tend to preserve detail better. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. After uploading, you should see a thumbnail or preview appear, which confirms the platform has your image. Next, type your prompt. Think of the prompt as your creative brief to the model. Be specific about the motion you want, the style or mood, any camera movement, and the pacing. For example, you might describe a gentle head turn, a breeze moving hair or fabric, or a slow push-in shot for a cinematic feel. If you care about lighting or vibe, mention things like soft sunlight, dramatic shadows, or a playful tone. Short, clear sentences work best, and it helps to focus on actions the model can plausibly infer from your still image. Now choose a model. Different models can vary in speed, detail, and style. If you're not sure which to pick, the default is usually a solid starting point, prioritizing a balanced look. If you want a more stylized outcome or faster previews, select the option that matches that goal. You can always switch and try another model if the first result isn't quite right. When you're ready, click Generate. The system will process your image and prompt to create the video. This can take a moment depending on length and complexity. Once it finishes, your generated clip will appear in the viewer. Watch it through and note what worked. If motion feels too slow or too fast, or the style isn't on target, refine your prompt or pick a different model and generate again. Small wording changes often make a big difference. That's it, your reference image is now a video. Happy creating!